Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the Aloe Yoga Match Point shorts. Now I'm gonna cut right to the chase. I can't stand these shorts. I thought that, trying them on, maybe there was a different catch to them, but they were just horrible. I do like the material, they're very lightweight, and they do remind me of, I believe it's called the Stride short. But the design of these is just horrible. I don't know why we need like a fin at the waist, but just on the back. I felt it was very unflattering. And then there's a seam at the back of them. Once they're on, they look pretty balloony, and that's about it. I hope this try-on, although brief, is helpful for you and you can maybe avoid a purchase. If you do want to buy something from Aloe, be sure to check the links in the description and the discount codes. As always, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.